Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to open and read CSV, separated values, files in Python. CSV files are a common way to store tabular data, where each row represents a record, and columns are separated by commas. To work with CSV files in Python, you'll need to import the CSV module. You can open a CSV file using Python's built-in open function. This function returns a file object that can be used to read from or write to the file. Replace data.csv with the path to your CSV file. Once the CSV file is opened, you can use the csv.reader object to read its contents. This object provides a reader interface for iterating over rows in the CSV file. The csv.reader object will parse each row of the CSV file into a list of strings, with each string representing a value in the row. Let's say we have a CSV file named data.csv with the following content. We can use the following Python code to read and print the contents of the CSV file. Output. In this tutorial, you learned how to open and read a CSV file in Python using the CSV module. You can now process the data from the CSV file as needed for your application. ChatGPT.